Okay, good morning students. Once again I will repeat the yesterday topic, important topic, radian measure convert into degree measure convert into radian measure. So now the radian measure convert into degree measure. First of all, the radian measure convert into degree measure. Pi by 16 radians is equal to 11 by 16 into 1 radian. 1 radian is equal to how many degrees? 180 by pi degrees. 11 by 16 into 180 by pi. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. 1 by pi is equal to 7 by 22 and calculate 315 by 8. Divide 315 by 8 divide by using the division method. So this is the 24, 8, 3 is 24, is 75 and so on. 39.375. 39.375 degrees. Okay, 39 degrees okay. 39.375 degrees is not correct. So 39.375 means 39 plus 0.375. 0.375 is the below 1 degree. Below 1 degree is converted into minutes. So once again, 1 degree is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. 60 minutes is equal to 60 into 1 minute. 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degrees. 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60. 1 degree is equal to 60 seconds. So 2 degrees is equal to 2 degrees is equal to 2 into 60 minutes. 3 degrees is equal to 3 into 60 minutes. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 2 degrees is equal to 120 minutes. 3 degree is equal to 60 into 3, 180 minutes. So into 60. 0.375 into 60 have to calculate 22.5 minutes. So 0.5 minutes also. Okay, 22 minutes, 30 minutes, 100 minutes okay. 22.5 minutes is not correct. Okay. 22.5 is 22 plus 0.5. 0.5 minutes means 0.5 means what? Half minute. Half minute is equal to how many seconds? 30 seconds. 30 seconds. You plus remove the plus and finally 39 degrees 22 minutes 30 seconds. This is the final result. So homework -4 homework madri. Homework 4. Okay now. Okay. Next, third problem. A wheel makes 360 revolutions. 360 revolutions for 1 minute. 360 revolutions in 1 minute. In 1 minute. In 1 minute. 1 minute, how many revolutions? 1 minute, how many revolutions? 360 degrees. 360 revolution. 1 minute, 360 revolutions. 1 minute. 1 second, how many revolutions? 60 revolutions. 6 revolution. 1 seconds, 60 revolutions. Okay. Stop. Through how many radians does through how many radians through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? Turn in 1 second. Okay. First of all, this is 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. So, okay. One revolution is equal to, one revolution means one complete circle. One revolution is equal to how many degrees? 360 degrees. Finally, through how many radians does convert into radians? 360 degrees is equal to how many radians? 2 pi radians, because 1 degree is equal to 1 degree, pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, 180 degrees. 1 degree is equal to pi by 180. 1 degree is equal to pi by 180. So 360 revolution 1 degree is equal to 360 degrees is equal to 360 into pi by 180. So 2 pi. 1 revolution is equal to 360 degrees is equal to 2 pi radians. Okay. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute how many revolutions? 360 revolutions. 1 minute 360 revolutions. 1 minute ki 360 revolutions. Okay. 360 revolution. 360 revolution is equal to 360 into 1 revolution. 1 revolution is equal to how many degrees? 2 pi radians. 360 into 2 pi radians. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. What we have to find? Does it turn in 1 second? 1 second how many revolutions? 1 second how many revolutions? That revolution in terms of radius. So 1 second is equal to 360 into 2 pi radians by 60. 1 minute is equal to this one 60 seconds. 60 seconds this one. 1 second is equal to by 60. 6 ones to 6 6. So 6 into 2 12 pi radians. Once again, a wheel, this is a wheel. Wheel means one complete circle. A wheel makes 360 revolution in 1 minute. 1 minute, okay, 1 minute 360 revolutions. 1 revolution is equal to how many degrees? 360 degrees. 360 degrees convert into 2 pi radians. So finally 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds is equal to how many revolutions? 360 into 2 pi revolutions. Okay, we want 1 second. 60 seconds this one. 1 second is equal to 360 into 2 pi by 60 equal to 12 radians. 12 pi radians. This one. Next. Okay, next one. Next, fourth problem. Find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of the circle, subtended at the center of the circle, subtended at the center of the circle of radius 100 centimeters, of radius 100 centimeters by an arc of length, by an arc of length, 22 centimeters. Find the degree measure of the angle degree measure. Center of the circle, arc length are given. What will given? What you have to given? Arc length L is equal to 22 centimeters. Radius R is equal to 100 centimeters. Theta is equal to how much? Theta in degree. Theta is equal to question mark. What is the formula? L is equal to R into theta. Theta is equal to L by R. L is equal to 22 by 100. At the center, an arc of length 20 centimeter. The circle radians. The radians 22 by 100 into degrees and 180 by pi into 180 by pi, given radius 180 by pi, because the total degree in terms of degrees 180 by pi. So cancel 2 5s, 2 9s, that is equal to 22 into 9 by pi means 7 by 22. So this one, that is equal to 63 degrees. Okay, 22 by 100 degrees. The degrees converted into radians are given. Radians. When convert into radians is converted into degree means 180 by pi, which is 63 degrees. Once again, arc length L. This is the circle, the center. This is the arc length, this is the angle, this is the R. R given, arc length given, theta. Theta is in terms of degree. Theta is in terms of degree. The given data is in terms of radians. So theta is equal to L by R. L by R radians. Radius converted into degrees means 180 by pi. So 62 degrees. Next fifth one, in a circle of diameter, in a circle of diameter 40 centimeters, in a circle of diameter 40 centimeters, the length of a chord is 20 centimeters. Length of the chord is 20 centimeters. Find the length of the minor arc. Find the length of the minor arc. This is the circle, this is the center, diameter, the center. The total diameter is 40 centimeters, so radius is 20 centimeters. Radius is 20 centimeters. So chord, this is the chord. The chord also 20 centimeters. Chord also 20 centimeters. This is the radius. Okay, this is the radius. The chord length 20 centimeters, radius also 20 centimeters. Radius also 20 centimeters. So okay, understand? Diameter length is 40 centimeters, radius 20 centimeters, the chord length 20 centimeters. This is the center to the on the circle. This is an equilateral triangle. This is OAV. From the figure, OAB is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, degree is what? 60 degrees. In right angle triangle, all are equal degrees. All sides, so all the 3 degrees are equal. So this one. Theta is given. Arc length L into, find the L is equal to question mark. L is equal to question mark. What is the formula? L is equal to R into theta. R is equal to, 60 degrees is equal to what? Pi by 3. 60 degrees convert into radians, pi by 3. R is equal to 20. Theta is equal to pi by 3. That is equal to 20 pi by 3. Sixth problem. In two circles, arcs of same length. Arcs అనేవి same length. Arcs are same length. Arcs of same length. Subtend angles. Subtend angles 60 degrees and 75 degrees. 60 degrees and 75 degrees. At the center, find the ratio of their radii. Find the ratio of radii. Radii means plural. Only one means radius, plural, and the number of radius means radii. This one. Okay, two circles are there. What is the meaning? Two circles are there. Two circles arc length same. So L1 is equal to L2, arc length same. So theta 1 is equal to 60 degrees, theta 2 is equal to 75 degrees. The ratios of radii. So R1 by R2 is equal to question mark. So first of all, L1 is equal to L2 na. L1 formula, L is equal to L formula, L is equal to R into theta. L1 is equal to R1 into theta 1. L2 is equal to R2 into theta 2. R1 by R2 is equal to theta 1 by theta 2. Theta 1 is equal to 60 by 75. 15 fours, 15 fives. So R1 is to R2 is equal to 4 is to 5. First of all, read the problem. Read the problem and understand the problem. What will given? What we have to given? What we have to find? Okay, this one. Seventh one. Find the angle in the radian. Find the angle in the radian. Find the angle in the radian through which a pendulum swing simple pendulum swing, if its length is 75 centimeters, if its length is 75 centimeters and the tip and an arc of length First one 10 centimeters, second one 15, 21. 15 centimeters, third one 21 centimeters. Problem 3 bits. ఏం కొట్టారు? ఇట్స్ లెంత్ కొట్టారు, ఆర్ కొట్టారు, ఆర్క్ లెంత్ ఎల్ కొట్టారు ఫస్ట్ బిట్. అంటే ఫస్ట్ బిట్, సెకండ్ బిట్, థర్డ్ బిట్, ది 3 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆర్ కామన్ ఆర్ వాల్యూ. కామన్ ఆర్ వాల్యూ is 75 is common. So first one given r is equal to 75, l is equal to 10 centimeters. So l is equal to r into theta, theta is equal to l by r, l is equal to 10 by r is equal to 75. Okay, 2 5 2s 5 5 15s. Okay, 2 by 15. A second problem, r is equal to 75, l is equal to 15. Third problem, r is equal to 75, l is equal to 21. So second, third homework. Okay na? So first exercise is completed. Tomorrow the next exercise and the next topic. The next topic is all silver teacups in first quadrant, which are positive, which are negative, given sin theta is given, find the remaining tan, cot, cos, angles. This is the next topic. So tomorrow all are will perfect all silver teacups, sin, cos, tan, all functions in first quadrant, which are positive, which are negative. So sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. This type of introduction. Okay, good. Okay, bye. Thank you.